I think the problem here is that you're putting the spotlight on yourself so much. A lot of GP trainees who struggle with the confidence is that when they're reviewing their recordings, they hate it because they don't like how they sound. They feel like it's very odd. The way you sound when you're talking is different to when you're going to record it. The sound that you're making, you're hearing it through your own internal organ, whereas when it's from a recording device, it's going to be through that interface. So the sound will definitely sound different to how you are familiar with your voice. I think the problem here is that you're putting the spotlight on yourself so much. When you're reviewing your recording, what ideally you want to do is focus more on what you're doing for the patient. Because the patient really, they don't care about the voice as in whether I like this voice or not. It's more about how you're helping them and improving them. So if you focus on the importance of the message that your voice is conveying more than the voice, that would help you, I think, because it's not so much about how you feel. It's more about how you're making the patient feel. So if you're managing to do that, then I think that will remove that extra pressure, because I think if the spotlight goes on the patient and you focus on what you're doing for them. When you started driving, did you find it overwhelming when you had to change the gear, think of all these moving parts? Now when you're driving, how do you feel?
So relaxed. You don't think about, I don't even think about, how I'm going to drive. Like, yeah, you're right, actually.
So that's what we want to, especially on the day of the exam, because there'll be so much pressure. You want to make it less difficult and frictionless if you can. And the way you get to that is building that small, one thing at a time, small victories, and then you'll get to a higher level. I think a lot of the issue here is in the belief, what you're thinking. Are you struggling with your consultation skills? Maybe you need help and you want to get constructive feedback. If you'd like to get help, then click the link down the description below to see whether I can help you. If I can help you, then we can enroll you on the one-to-one coaching program. I think it's good to see what others are doing, but you're running your own race. All right. What you want to do is compare yourself with how you did maybe 4 weeks ago and see where you're at. And if you're making some progress, that's good. You will eventually get to that level. It's going to take a bit more time and effort. It's better to do it well so that you have a strong foundation. If you found this video useful, then I'm sure you're going to get a lot from watching this video. Click the video to watch it. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.